Welcome to Brain Booster. How much do you really know about coyotes? Today we delve into the world of these fascinating creatures, medium-sized wild dogs that were once found only in the arid regions of North America. Now, 19 distinct subspecies span the continent, venturing as far as neighboring Central America. Often mistaken for our domesticated furry friends, coyotes have defining physical characteristics. They typically weigh anywhere between 15 and 46 pounds. And watch the tail. Unlike a dog's, a coyote's tail is bushy and held downward even when running at full speed. The world of coyotes extends far beyond the famous Wile E. Coyote's endless pursuit of the roadrunner. The real coyote is a smart, incredibly adaptable canid species with a rich and varied existence. So let's embark on this journey to learn more about these creatures, understanding that the coyote is so much more than just a character chasing a roadrunner in a cartoon. Did you know that coyotes are expert hunters? These clever creatures have an acute knack for hunting rodents and rabbits, making them an invaluable ally in pest control. Their keen senses, agility, and stealth enable them to effectively keep these populations in check. Now, let's shift our focus to the ranches. Ranchers and coyotes, well, they've had a bit of a rocky history. Coyotes are often seen as a nuisance, a threat to livestock, but what if we told you that a harmonious coexistence could be possible? It might sound surprising, but hear us out. When coyotes, specifically those with a disinterest in livestock, are allowed to share the land with ranchers, they can bring about significant benefits. These expert hunters can keep at bay populations of mice, voles, groundhogs, prairie dogs, and gophers. These pests, if left unchecked, can cause substantial damage to crops and pastures. Moreover, did you know that rabbits are cows' primary competitor for grass? By controlling the rabbit population, coyotes indirectly help ranchers by ensuring there's more grass available for the cattle. So, while the relationship between ranchers and coyotes may have been tumultuous in the past, a new perspective shows that smart, non-lethal coyote management can be significantly beneficial. It's about acknowledging the coyote's role in the ecosystem and finding a way to live alongside them rather than in conflict. It's all about balance, isn't it? Coyotes are not just confined to rural areas anymore. This adaptable species has shown incredible resilience and adaptability. Originating from the southwestern and plains areas of North America, coyotes have expanded their habitats to almost every corner of the continent and even into Central America. This expansion is a testament to their adaptability. As Europeans moved westward and transformed the landscape, cutting down forests into prairie-like farmland, coyotes seized the opportunity and moved into these new territories. Their natural predators, such as wolves, cougars, and bears, were being exterminated, making the expansion easier for the coyotes. But it's not just rural areas that have seen an increase in their numbers. Coyotes have shown a remarkable ability to adapt to urban areas as well. From the heart of New York City to the suburbs of Los Angeles, these canids have become a common sight. The coyote, once a creature of the wild, has now become a resident of urban areas across the continent. Have you heard about the eastern coy wolf? This intriguing creature is a larger variation of the classic western coyote, boasting more wolf-like features. This intriguing transformation didn't happen overnight. As the western coyote ventured east, it hybridized with eastern wolves with a sprinkle of domestic dog DNA mixed in for good measure. The result? The eastern coyote, a canid that walks the line between coyote and wolf, hence its nickname, the coy wolf. This blend of coyote and wolf DNA has resulted in a creature that is larger and can handle colder climates than its western counterpart. And it's not just size. The coy wolf also exhibits behaviors that are a combination of both coyote and wolf traits. But here's the real kicker. This new variation might earn a special place in the scientific world. Researchers are considering the possibility of recognizing the coy wolf as a new subspecies or even a new species altogether. The eastern coyote or coy wolf is an example of nature's adaptability and evolution. Coyotes don't just stick to a carnivorous diet. These adaptable creatures are actually omnivores, finding nourishment in a variety of sources. Yes, they are skilled hunters, but their palate extends beyond the realms of rodents and rabbits. When the season allows, coyotes will happily feast on ripe berries, munch on vegetables, and even indulge in fallen fruit. Their diet is as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit, reflecting their incredible adaptability. But it's not just their diet that paints a fascinating picture of these animals. Let's delve into their social lives, specifically their mating habits. Unlike many other animals, coyotes mate for life. They are monogamous creatures, and once they find a mate, a coyote couple stays together for life. In a study conducted in 2012, researchers discovered that this remains true, regardless of the number of other potential mates in the area. If the male dies, the female coyote will likely leave the area immediately or soon after any pups are independent. The bond between a coyote couple is a strong one, underlining the depth of their social structures and their commitment to their families. So, the next time you think about a coyote, remember that they're not just expert hunters. They're also berry eaters, vegetable munchers, and dedicated partners. Coyotes are far more complex creatures than they are often given credit for, with diverse diets and lifelong partners. Not only are they adaptable, but coyotes are also the most vocal wild mammals in North America. Their complex communication system includes 11 distinct vocalizations identified by researchers. These range from growls and barks to group howls and greeting songs. Each sound plays a unique role in their interaction, whether it's to warn off intruders, call the pack together, or simply express joy. Coyotes' adaptability is indeed striking. They've managed to thrive not just in the wilderness, but also in urban landscapes, navigating traffic and human activity with impressive ease. Coyotes aren't just lone wanderers, they're also community-oriented animals. They parent together, often raising their young as a couple or within a larger pack, demonstrating a level of cooperation and social structure that is truly intriguing. From their vocalizations to their adaptability, coyotes are truly fascinating creatures, deserving of our respect and understanding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.